Hello students, let us learn the basic concepts of HCF and LCM. LCM and HCF, that is LCM is least common multiple, whereas HCF is highest common factor. Multiples, so that is starting with that number and numbers which comes in the table of that number. So taking an example of 12 and 18 and calculating the LCM of these two numbers. So we write these two numbers and draw these two lines. Now we take first of all the common factors of the two numbers, like 2 is a common factor of the two numbers. So it divides 12 as 6 times and 18 as 9 times. Then 3 is the common factor of 6 and 9. It divides 6 as 2 times and 9 as 3 times. Okay, now they are not having any common factor. So we take first 2, which divides 2 as 1 times and does not divide 3. And then we are taking this 3, which is dividing this 3 as 1 time. Now in the last, we are getting 1 for both the two numbers. So LCM is product of all these numbers, that is 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So their LCM is 36. So LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. LCM means a number which comes in the table of both the numbers. So it can be same number or it can be greater than that number. Common multiple of both the numbers. So it can be equal to the number or greater than the two numbers, given numbers. Like 36 is in table of 12, it is coming 3 times. And in the table of 18, it is coming 2 times. So 36 is a common multiple of 12 and 18. Okay. Now, if we see, come to the HCF, that is highest common factor of the two numbers, again taking the same exam numbers 12 and 18 and going to calculate the factor of 12 and 18. So first we write the two numbers as same method like 12 and 18 and then take the common divisor of the two numbers, which is like dividing 12 6 times and 18 9 times, and then 3 is the common divisor of 6 and 9. It divides 3 2 times and 9 3 times. Now 2 and 3 are not having any common factor, so we are not going to take further. We are just taking 2 and 3. But in the LCM, we had divided till we are getting the 1. Okay, but here we leave after we are not getting the common factors of the two numbers. Now, HCF is product of 2 and 3, that is 6. That means the HCF of the two numbers 12 and 18 is 6. It is either equal to or less than the given numbers. Like 12, if we take the factors of the 12, all are less than that, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 12. And if we take the factors of 18, that are like 1, 2, 3, okay, then 6, 9, and 18. So the common factors we can see, 6 is the maximum, highest common factor. But again, it is, although the highest word is there, but they won't go beyond the numbers. That means factors are always less than or equal to that number, whereas the LCM are always equal to or greater than the numbers. So this was the basic thing about the two LCM and HCF. Thank you.